Hello everyone, my name is Timothy and I want to welcome you to the Penang Travel Tips Channel. If you're visiting Penang for the very first time and planning to explore the island using public transport, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Touch and Go card and how you can use it not only for buses and trains but also for parking, tolls and even shopping right here in Penang. As you can see from the photo, I took it at the parking lot of a shopping mall in Penang, which is where I will be using the Touch and Go card. This card is so convenient as you can use it for many things and at so many places. So, what exactly is the Touch and Go card? Well, it's Malaysia's most widely used contactless smart card. Think of it like a travel and lifestyle card. You just tap and go. It works on public buses like Rapid Penang, on KTM commuter trains, at toll booths, car parks, and even at some shops and even hawker stalls and at tourist attractions. Now, as a visitor, you might be wondering, where can I get one? Here are your options. Number 1, buy it from some of the convenience stores. Look out for places like 7-Eleven, My News, KK Mart, and Petronas Mesra petrol stations. I asked on your behalf and was told by a 7-Eleven outlet that they don't sell it, but I can get it at other selected 7-Eleven outlets. The card usually costs between 10 and 15 ringgit, and it may or may not come preloaded with credit. Just ask the cashier if they have the Touch and Go card available. If possible, request the enhanced version because that one has NFC support, which I'll explain later. Another place that you can get the card is from transportation hubs such as the Rapid Penang bus terminal at Welki or Jetty, KTM train stations like Butterworth and Bukit Mertajam, the ferry terminal in Butterworth. Stocks availability depends on the outlet, so if one place doesn't have it, just try another one nearby. If you are staying in Penang a little longer and have access to a local delivery address, you can also buy the card online through the Touch and Go website or go through an online store such as Shopee or Lazada. But this option is really for long-term visitors or those who are going to stay here, such as an expat, since you have to wait a few days for delivery. If you are purchasing the card online, bear in mind that there are two types: the regular Touch and Go card, which is very colorful in design on the front like this, and the NFC enhanced Touch and Go card. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. The NFC-enabled card, like the one you saw me holding, can be linked to the Touch and Go app on your smartphone, so you can reload the card directly from the Touch and Go app on your phone by tapping it on the back. However, you need to have an NFC-enabled smartphone to take advantage of this feature. Now, since I mentioned the Touch and Go app, let's talk more about it. So, the Touch and Go app is an eWallet. Can you use it as a tourist? The short answer is yes, but only if you have a Malaysian SIM card. That's because the app requires a local phone number to register. If you do have a Malaysian SIM, here's what you can do with the app. You can check your card balance, reload your physical Touch and Go card from your bank or credit card, make QR code payments at stores, and link your enhanced Touch and Go card if it supports NFC. As a Malaysian, I use the Touch and Go eWallet app as a way to shop without having to carry cash, as many shops and even hawker stalls accept QR code payments using it. It's a great tool for going fully digital, but again, it's only accessible if you have a local phone number. Don't worry if you are just using a foreign SIM, you can still use the physical Touch and Go card without any issues. Here in Penang, you can use the card to tap onto Rapid Penang buses, ride the KTM commuter trains, pay for parking in certain areas, access selected ferry services, even shop at stalls that accept the card. Reloading is simple too. Just go to any participating 7-Eleven or Petronas outlet and ask to top up your card. Some shopping malls and stations also have dedicated reloading machines. The Touch and Go card makes getting around Penang easy and cashless. No need to worry about exact change or paper tickets. Just tap and go. So here's my advice. Get the card as soon as you arrive in Penang. It saves you time, keeps things simple, and gives you a smooth experience when using our public transport system. And if you are here for longer or like doing everything from your phone, get yourself a Malaysian SIM and try out the Touch and Go eWallet app too. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Penang Travel Tips channel for more helpful tips and travel guides. If you need more information about getting around Penang, check out the other videos on this channel or the Penang Travel Tips website. Safe travels and enjoy your time here in Penang.